Hi everyone, welcome to day 2 of our Nature Connection Challenge on the Just One Thing Environmental Action group on Facebook. So today's challenge is breathing with a tree. So I will talk you through the practice. The idea is to connect first of all with your breath, just breathing in the oxygen, noticing sensations in your nostrils, sensations in your chest, and the sensations in your belly as the air passes in, and then again as the air is passing out, just following those sensations. And if you're outdoors, you might even notice the scents as well. It's letting your breathing settle into a natural rhythm, not changing it in any way, just observing the patterns, maybe a little bit like waves. You might notice the sounds of the breath along with the sensations. And I'm sat here with the little oak sapling. Just change my camera around so you can see it. And as I breathe in, I'm breathing in oxygen that's come from trees like this and plants. And as I breathe out, I'm giving them back carbon dioxide. It's nice just to reflect that my breathing is a process of nature. I don't have to think about it. It's been happening since the instant I was born. For every moment of my life, controlled by a whole host of really quite intricate processes, all carefully balanced and dependent on trees like this. So there's a very obvious moment by moment connection between each of us and these trees and plants. We're exchanging atoms and molecules all the time. So a concept of my body and this tree being two solid separate things actually is not true. I'll just leave you to breathe. You don't have to be with a tree yourself. You can just bring a tree to mind if that's easier. I'll let you enjoy the practice for yourself. Let us know how you get on in the comments.